Hi guys, I'm Geraldine. Welcome back. So today I'll be unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I have gotten the 256GB in gold, and I have also purchased some accessories such as the tempered glass, the charger which is not provided in the new iPhone box, and also a casing to protect my new iPhone. So I've been using iPhone for the longest time. Like in the past I do use Android phones, but after using iPhone I just go back to iPhone again and again. I mean, it's such an easy phone to use, right? So this time round I have purchased the gold iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it looks so gorgeous. Like there's 4 different colors, but though initially I wanted to choose blue, but there isn't any more stock, so I got the gold instead. So yep, the gold looks really amazing as well. So in the box itself, there's the phone, and there is also the wire cable, and this time around it doesn't come with the charging port. So other than that, it comes with the usual instruction manual and also the key inside to put in your SIM card. I will do some ASMR here. So I'll be putting on the screen protector with you guys. So yeah, I have always been buying my own tempered glass nowadays, like instead of going outside. I mean, like it's much cheaper to actually buy a screen protector and put it yourself at home. I mean, it's not that hard. So yep, after a few tries you can get better and better. So usually for the screen protector you will always get a set of like dust stickers as well as the wipes. One will be a wet wipes and the other one will be a dry wipe after you clean up your screen for your phone. I mean, I'm not a professional in this, so please pardon me if I did not do well. Often I just do some trial and error and then just try again and again if I didn't get it right. So I guess this time round I'm gonna do the same. So I'm gonna just tear it off and just trying to align it properly, and hopefully it just get it done. It just seems so easy when other people is helping you to do. But yeah, you know what, I will just take it out and just try to place it on it. Let me try get it once and over it, please. Do you feel the sense of satisfaction when after you place the screen protector and the screen protector is slowly removing all the air bubbles, and it's just so satisfying to watch. Yay, I'm done with pasting all my screen protector, and it is ready. So the gold color is just gorgeous. So something bad about this iPhone is that the side of the phone is actually made of stainless steel, and it looks nice, but it just gets on with all the fingerprints. So it would be better if you get a casing, otherwise you just got bad with all the fingerprints you have. So I bought mine from Shopee, and this one is not transparent. I did buy a transparent one, but it has not arrived. And this one just looks very nice, although you can't see the real color of the iPhone, but I think it's fine. Sometimes you just want to change the color of the iPhone. So maybe when I got the transparent one, I will just change it as and when I like. So yep, this is my little unboxing, and I hope you guys like it. Do give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!